This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading to the Saint-Ouen Abbey to share with you 3 unusual pieces of information about this place. The first unusual information concerns 2 inscriptions located inside one of the highest turrets of the Abbey church. Indeed, thanks to these 2 inscriptions engraved in the stone, we can guess 2 names: Borland and Buckley. Borland, a Scottish soldier, engraved his name with a knife on August 18, 1916, to mark his time at the Abbey. 2 years later, on October 11, 1918, it was another soldier, Buckley of English nationality, who engraved the name of his regiment, the 6th Australian Artillery Regiment, as well as his city of birth, Melbourne. The English and Australian presence at this time in Rouen obviously fits into the context of the First World War. The second unusual information refers to the 3 bells located inside the Abbey. But did you know that these 3 bells all have a first name? Their names are Saint-Ouen, Marie and Julie Marcel, respectively. What a funny idea to give a name to a bell, you might say. In fact, it is an old tradition dating from the 12th century. At the time, they were considered as people. They received the first name of a patron saint during a blessing ceremony. Like the future baptized, they are sprinkled with holy water, then anointed with holy oil, holy chrism. Some were even dressed in a white dress. What an era! Finally, the third and last unusual information: the Saint-Ouen Abbey has the most important set of 14th century glass roofs in the world. So, if you have not yet visited it, I strongly invite you to discover the magnificent Saint-Ouen Abbey Church for yourself.